जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good morning to my respected principal, teachers, all my friends and the parents who are here today. As we know, we are here today to celebrate our 74th Independence Day of our country. It is very sacrificed, happy day for all of us because we finally got independence from the British rulers after a hard struggle by the freedom fighters. This day received highly respect to the freedom fighters who lost their lives to protect our country. We pay highly attention to the respected patriots M.K. Gandhi, Lal Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and many others who struggled for our country. This day also gave us a very important thing that to remember the struggled peoples who struggle for our India. The youngsters who birthed in the era of the free India should proud and fortune to be an Indian. As we see that our India is a success in every area of agriculture, trade, mass and occupation and everywhere where we see. After knowing that we are the fifth power of the country, should be proud of to be an Indian. At the last, I appeal to take a oath today to being a highly powerful and well-educated people of India for the tomorrow India. Thank you for listening me.
Good morning everyone. My name is Khushi Rajput from class 8. My house is yellow. My heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day, 15th August 1947, 74 years back from now. Our India gained freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by our freedom fighters. Many of them sacrificed their life to give us a new India, a independent India. We were born in an independent nation and hence probably understand the insult of being governed by a foreign power. But the date when India got independence, it became a very important day in Indian history and got a home in heart of Indians. We also celebrate Independence Day to pay a tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life to give us a new world. In India, Independence Day is celebrated on a vast scale. Government buildings were also decorated with tricolor lighting. On Red Fort, Army, Navy and Air Force get collected to march parade. Our Prime Minister hosts the flag and gives a motivational speech. But this year, whole world is suffering from a great pandemic named coronavirus. Due to this, school, colleges, mall, parks is closed. Government have closed all this for our safety. Now, we also have to take care of our health by not arranging any grand function on the occasion of Independence Day. It don't mean that we will not celebrate Independence Day. We will celebrate Independence Day but at our home with our family safely and respect the corona warriors who are outside for our safety and salute the people who make effort to freedom our nation and dedicate yourself to the service of the nation. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जाएंगे. फूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों पे, हम लेट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे. है वतन, हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जाएंगे. है वतन. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं. हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे. हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे. मर जाएंगे, मिट जाएंगे, दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं. हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे. हम भी लड़ने जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे. मर जाएंगे, मिट जाएंगे, दुश्मन को मार भगाएंगे. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. नमस्ते.